各位女士、各位先生、亲爱的媒体朋友，还有产业先进们，谢谢大家今天中午来到这里参加In Silico Medicine 邀请宝瑞药业和他们一起合作进行这个新的 AI 投资赋能下一轮的新药革命，还有 CDMO 新的轨迹的签约记者会。那如同刚刚说的，因为 Bio 这边的行程实在是太火热了，大家非常热烈的还在进行 panel， 所以我们另外一位贵宾呢，就是 In Silico Medicine 的创办人Alex 博士，他会稍晚加入。那在这个之前呢，我们就先欢迎盛董和大家聊一下，您觉得就是这次被 In Silico 邀请是一个怎么样的机缘，然后对宝瑞有什么样的贡献？
喂 ，Hello， 好，大家好，午安。我觉得今天也蛮有意思啊。其实我觉得人好多好像比我们记者会跟一些法说会还多啊，所以今天有一点紧张啊。那这个代表说这个 AI 对我们的各产业呢是很重要啊。那我想今天这个流程也稍微改一下，所以这个我们的虽然说这个主人呢，他就觉得其实他有很多活动要参加，其实他是非常忙啊。他也是在这个开发新药的AI 领域来说，真的是世界级的一个公司啊。那是这个亲手创办的啊，所以其实非常厉害的。那我们跟他其实谈了快1年了哈。其实它在这个药品开发，其实这个前端是非常的复杂哦，也是有很多的这个trial and error 哦这一块。那其实我们都知道说 AI 在各种这个产业呢，其实影响力非常大，就是改变很多的这个思考逻辑等等啊。其实对新药开发来说呢，其实跟其他的产业的 AI 的进度呢，我们算是比较慢一点。因为其实这个整个流程非常的复杂，然后研发的端这方面来说呢，这个时间要非常长啊，所以我想这方面来说，AI 其实在影响到我们这个产业呢，算是比较慢一点啊。那谈了这么多呢，我觉得让我们 CDMO 去了解 AI 是更复杂的。我想大家知道 CDMO 在制造这个过程中呢，其实 FDA 是管得非常严，所以他不希望其实有太多的新的东西介绍这个制造这个流程中，所以其实他们也希望人的影响力比较大，他们希望去这个个人要去 sign off， 个人要去这个化验，去这个确效等等啊，所以要用 AI 做这些事情，其实最近我们产业呢，其实也被 FDA 惩罚了啊，然后也给我们很多的一些的这个意见啊，所以其实我们CDMO 要做 AI 呢，也是要非常的小心。这个反正我讲的时候可以做一些 Q&A， 我就慢慢等这个 Alex 来好不好？也可以聊别的东西都无所谓啊，我感觉像是一个这个演唱会的开场前面比较不重要的一个人啊，所以其实我想AI 来说呢，在真的是这个重新定义蛮多重要的产业，也这个定义很多的这个重新定义很多的一些思考啊。那这个不管是在这个改变我们的生活，改变我们的工作。改变我们的这个思考逻辑呢，其实它的真的是让我们对未来是有不同的看法。我想也对我们的台湾的资本市场有很大的一个改变，也对我们台湾的股民也是对他们财富有很大的改变都是这个好像是正面的改变，所以也是好那这其实AI 对在我们的医疗产业呢，无疑这是一个非常重要的一个产业之一它的代表呢，不只是在一个我们所想的提高的良率还是增加它的效率等等AI 在我们医药产业人工智慧在我们的这个生技健康产业呢，其实它是代表更好的新药 是代表更快可以发展到新的治疗的方式，也对病人来说呢是更有一个健康的未来我觉得这个非常重要。那今天其实我们谈了很久了，然后我们谈到这个怎么合作、签什么其实我们两个都蛮重视这个合作，因为他们算是这个世界级的新药开发公司，那我们算是他们第一个签的 CDMO 所以他前面都是签的都是新药开发公司这个他最近这一年有签了13个合作，13个这个 out licensing 的案子。那这个13个都是在跟前20名的世界级的这个药厂的合作那我们是第一个 CDMO 跟他们合作。这个我们这个合作其实对这个未来是有迈进很重要的一步。我看 Insilico 其实我刚刚有提的，他是他白手起家成立这家公司。其实他早期我讲他的故事现在没关系，我觉得就一直讲好不好？介绍他故事，他是以前刚来台湾，他是在 DCB， 在 DCB 里面，然后有在开发 AI， 其实他一直在开发 AI， 那他也是比较专注在 longevity 这一块那所以其实他对这方面是非常非常的专业。那我觉得他这样子一路来，然后最近在香港上市。其实真的现在是世界级的新药开发的人工智慧的公司。那我觉得我们宝瑞可以跟他合作也是非常的荣幸因为他这种世界级的公司是跟他就一直希望前端可以配合到整个供应链的，特别终端跟后端量产到核准那我们呢是台湾土生的跨到全世界，目前现在有11个厂11个药厂。也有开发到100多种的新药，也外销到100多个国家，所以其实在从制造跟核准跟通路来说呢，其实是蛮有经验的。其实我们这个2个配合呢，其实我们一见面都觉得说，其实门当户对的，好像这样来说，我们其实蛮互补的，所以其实很快就有决定要合作的。宝瑞呢，希望透过他们的 AI 的团队，他们 AI 的经验，可以做一个end to end 的这个 AI 平台，就是一条龙的 AI 平台，可以接受新药开发的公司，马上要进入到 Phase 1， 然后 clinical 量产的部分呢，其实不只是AI。新药开发公司的接轨，也是一般的这个传统的新药开发公司可以马上利用到我们的 AI 平台，可以更快可以达成量产 CMC， 也可以更快透过 AI 的这个转移到这个 application 跟FDA 的核准是这个一条龙的平台，我们可以给所有的客户所有的这个 partner 来使用。所以其实这一方面的合作呢，我们是非常非常的期待到没有？还没有到。没关系，我再讲个笑话好不好？那这个我觉得我们其实我一直觉得这个台湾来说一直是一个特别最近是 AI 当 AI 是这个硬体的领导者，对不对？大家都知道说的。那我希望透过这个合作呢，其实变成是 AI 的软体的领导者，因为大家都知道从价值观说 ，AI 是硬体到软体呢是这个一个整个流程会比较这个 value chain 来说。那这个等Alex 准备的时候，我再讲一个好笑的故事。我刚刚从华盛顿回来 ，Alex come on sit down it's okay I'm telling a joke。I'm telling a joke, so let me finish my joke, okay? So 我刚从这个华盛顿回来，我们在签了一个这个新的一个药厂，一个大分子药厂，在这个Maryland。 那市政府也来，市长也来，州政府都有来。其实我们也很荣幸请到这个驻美的这个台湾的这个驻美的大使有来哦，这个于大使有过来。那他来呢，他就跟我聊很多，然后上台讲。他讲呢，其实我们台湾啊，其实以前啊，因为他在美国很久，以前我在美国长大，我知道台湾其实可以美国提到台湾就很开心了。我不管是几点钟，不管讲什么，就可以都提到台湾，不然地震我都很开心了，就提到台湾哦。那现在呢，台湾是大家都知道我们哦，所以他常常被要去开会。然后说其实开会的时候，开会到5分到10分钟呢，他就说对不起，停下来啊。他说为什么要停下来？他说我先跟你讲，我不是台积电的员工。哦，这个我不是台积电员工，我也不太了解半导体。他说谢谢宝瑞啊，愿意啊，其实跨出来，愿意这个代表生技业啊，这个进到美国啊，他也很期待我们生技业透过 AI 的平台，可以有帮台湾第2个护国神山啊。我觉得今天我们这个签约呢，其实迈进这个梦想呢，其实很重要的一步啊。那其实这样子我这个讲完了，那可以介绍最重要的这个内容跟重要人物给 Alex。Thank you, Alex. Welcome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the wait. So welcome to the signing ceremony between Bora Pharmaceutical and Insilico Medicine, of course. Thank you for joining us today to witness this significant milestone, both for the CDMO journey of Boras and also for biotech in Taiwan overall. So first off, we would like to invite our guest here, Dr. Alex. You must have just met him from the exhibition center, but here it is again, time travel. So join us in welcoming him, giving a speech.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and Bobby is so privileged to be sitting next to you today. By the way, it's not our first time in Taiwan because we actually, when we were expanding into Asia, our first, oh my God, Ted. Like I see so many great familiar faces who came here. And our first site actually in Asia was in Taiwan. So we're very happy to be back with a huge deal. And for those of you who don't know, so Bora Pharmaceuticals is kind of the global equivalent of WuXi AppTec, and Bobby is kind of the emerging Dr. Li Ge, who is going to take over the world in CRO, CDMO, but also in new company creation and innovative space. Right now, I think that there is a very good time to create such an entity, AI accelerated drug discovery here in Taiwan with very serious focus on the US. Because there is significant demand for that. So don't forget to buy Bora stock. No, not an investment advice, I'm sorry. So don't buy or sell anything based on what I say or take any drugs, because everything that I'm going to talk about is highly investigational, very risky. But Bora is not as risky because you actually are profitable doing great business, and now you are looking at exponential technologies that next 5 years, the entire world is going to change in a very dramatic way because AI is reaching superintelligence. And right now, if you have ChatGPT or Gemini or any other company, any other LLM like Claude, ask it like, what are the top 3 AI drug discovery companies in the world? Usually it will show Insilico. And ask it what is the most productive. So we have some productivity measures. We hope to be more productive with Bora. So today what we are announcing is it's a multi-target alliance. So what we bring to the table is the Pharma AI platform that allows you to very rapidly grow from 0 to developmental candidate. So currently our timelines are 9 to 18 months. That is typically 4 times faster than traditional approaches. We also will bring some molecules to the table. So for those of you who don't know, Leonard Lee in the audience, I know he likes to keep very low profile, but talk to him later. He used to be the head of investments at Wuxi Aptech, so Bobby managed to grab the best of talent that this industry has to offer. So he knows the best drugs, he knows our company very well, basically made us successful. What Bora brings is a truly global development, manufacturing capability, super high quality drug discovery, CRO, CDMO expertise. AI without validation, without experiment is actually nothing. There are many companies nowadays that raise billions of dollars and they have produced 0 drugs. Like seriously, there are companies that are valued at tens of billions of dollars and they have produced 0 drugs. AI alone doesn't save lives. It cannot really function. You need to be able to validate. And the validation partner, the quickly reinforcement learning, comes from the hard work of companies like Bora Pharmaceuticals. And our next step is to jointly create multiple companies by utilizing our joint platform that we've already established in order to create better drugs to save more lives and bring therapeutics to market faster. Also therapeutics that not only address one disease, but many diseases. We like to call it pipeline in a product. So where one target can be used in many diseases. Like GLP-1. GLP-1, I don't know how many of you are on GLP-1. Okay, one admitted, yeah, you are not exactly overweight. I am on GLP-1 myself. If you are not on GLP-1 yet, it means that Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk have a lot of room to grow because it's a longevity therapeutic, in my opinion. But we are going to get the next GLP-1s, right? So those that improve your brain, improve your kidney, improve your heart, and many other diseases. So not only like hardcore cancer therapeutics. So what we bring in terms of the alliance, we bring together the top of the line AI with top of the line research and development capabilities, also manufacturing. Also in the context of this alliance, we plan to create new forms of AI. So if any one of you here actually are like in touch with TSMC and other big players, what I really do not like about our industry is that it's so focused on data centers right now and semiconductors and large language models that they are sucking away all the capital from the biotech. Like right now, biotech is actually undervalued. Like look at Bora's stock price, our stock price, and OpenAI and a few others. You can probably live without a chatbot, but you cannot live without really high quality therapeutics. And that's what we are planning to change here and to try to combine the best of technology with the best of biotechnology. Again, it's going to be AI native, data rich, automation driven partnership focused on delivering therapeutics much faster, better, with higher probability of success. And also every time we launch something, we develop a company, we will learn. And I'm truly pleased and I am very grateful for this partnership and friendship with Bobby Sheng, because actually the first time we met in person was at Berkeley.
Yes.
At an aging conference. That is very unusual. So at the Frontier AI for Drug Discovery and Aging Conference. Your wonderful vision and thought process is very aligned with ours. So I think we share the same goals and same vision. We would really love to accelerate this. So currently our timelines are 12 to 18 months developmental candidate, 31 developmental candidates delivered to date. So check if any other AI drug discovery company has ever developed anything similar. We have 13 INDs that progressed from PCC to IND. And this deal is actually a pretty substantial deal value. So there are very substantial upfronts that we are working on right now, but the total deal value is conservatively estimated at 2.5 billion. We actually might need to update it sometime, because after a couple of days with Leonard and Bobby, we realized that this is like small, because like even if we don't do anything, it's likely to be something like that. And this is quite important, because here you can see kind of the distribution of responsibilities and core competences. So our core competence is actually early stage discovery. So we do it faster than anyone else I know. We also have the frontier AI that allows you to do this at scale. So we scale drug discovery. And Bora provides validation expertise, manufacturing, discovery, development. So everything that is basically in the physical world. So we create the best of the virtual world with the best of the physical world. And Bobby, very, very happy to be partnering with you. I think that this is our exciting slide.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. 谢谢。朋友，等一下参考新闻稿。刚刚Alex 博士提到呢，就是 AI 这几年当然改变了很多资本市场的生态。但是 AI 本身，如果没有一个实物的公司去配合它，将开发、将这一些实际的投资落实，那 AI 本身是不会有很快速以及长足的进步的。因此呢，在这个阶段，Insilico Medicine 相信宝瑞在 CDMO 还有在药物开发上常年的经验，是在这个时间点上 Insilico 最好的伙伴。那同时呢，博士也认为 AI 其实不应该在现在因为生成式的关系被大量的应用在聊天询问上面，因为聊天询问不会改善你的健康，药物才是最终能够改善大家的健康，让整个社会更加祥和、更加往前进一步的动力。那当然，Insilico Medicine 有非常多很漂亮的数据，非常的让大家震惊哦。也就是它在过去几年当中呢，已经透过生成式的方式的研究呢，推出了31个候选的新的分子化药的分子。那当中有13个是有取得 IND 的 approval 或 clearance 的。这个比例13除以31，如果对照国际上的新药开发呢，其实只有1/1000，甚至好一点的公司、强大一点的公司5% 到10% 的成功率，这样子的一个裂变。是我们非常期待在宝瑞能够加入整个产业链中后段，也就是从CMC 然后到整个制程的放大、送件、量产，每一个环节把它串上之后呢，我们相信就会是一个对台湾的生技业也好，或是对国际的生技产业也好，会是一个非常长足的改变。好，我现在要换回英文。So I would like now to invite Bobby and Alex to sign the Strategic Alliance Memorandum of Understanding. You have the two physical paper down there. When you finish signing, please exchange. And now here comes the best moment of today. Please stand up for a photo call. Can you hold this gold copy? And then we'll be seeing your signature also on the screen. 现在媒体可以台上拍摄，我们大概会请他们举着3分钟，对，大家也可以移动到前面拍摄。旁边的拍得到吗？需要请他们稍微调整角度吗？ We also tilt a bit toward here.
Oh, tilt here.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah.
We look there.
Here, please. Here.
Okay. Before we close the ceremony, we will be open for a 2 to 3 minutes Q&A. 如果有人想要问问题的话呢，我会把麦克风递给您。
I need to introduce you to someone. This is my friend. Any questions from the audience? Or media? Or DCP?
Well, I just attend your talk in the conference. It's a very nice talk compared to here. But I noticed that you are building, Institute of Medicine is building a new facility, and that will do lots of research on RNA and nucleic acid related research. Can you elaborate a little bit on that? Because this is very exciting. Yeah.
So that facility, we are actually, we published a paper a long time ago, how to build vertically integrated longevity ecosystems where you can live, enjoy life, and also do great research. And that facility takes care of you so you don't like die of something stupid. It's a really cool idea. Normally, like everybody ignored it, and then one of the real estate companies picked it up. So we are advising them on how to build that. We're actually not putting our own money into that. And they're also building a research facility. So it will be like a lot of robots. We also think it's going to be the first one. So usually you want to build a pilot to go to the next level. So our first pilot was in Suzhou, then we did one in Shanghai. Then it's going to be this vertical integrated living. And then once we learn how to do it, we will template it. So my ideal vision for something like that would be a tower. So in one building, you actually can live, do beautiful R&D, and also get treated. So that's the future. And in order for us to get to this future, we need to work with Bora to develop very sustainable business that can fund something like that. Because maybe soon, in addition to Taipei 101, you will have a DNA tower. Make a statement, so lobby the TSMC. Now they are probably more rich than the government to build a DNA tower to combine technology and biotechnology, and with sustainable living, with corporate executives enjoying life for as long as they like, and also advancing frontier biotechnology research in longevity. I think longevity is probably the most important area of human development.
Thank you. We will now welcome the last question.
还有人要问问题吗？我们可以帮你们翻译。
我用英文讲好不好？
你有问题吗？
没有问题，没有问题。I'll talk in English right now. But
Can I ask a question?
sure.
Like you are very young. How did you manage to build such like CROs take 30 years to build? You built one overnight that became one of the global leaders. How did you do that?
Luck. I think Taiwan is unique in how it grows and its ingenuity. I think I learned a lot in Taiwan. We were able to, just like you saw a demand. You saw something that wasn't being done, and something that could be done better. Could be done better from scratch. I think that was the most important thing for us, is that we saw a better CRO coming. We saw a better CDMO. We just saw there was a need for more. So I think that's how we got to the current point where we are. And I also wanted to say, your vision is incredible. I would tell you a story. 我第一次见到他的时候, the first time I met him, I called in and I go, I met the Elon Musk of our biotech. Remember I said that? I go, this guy's Elon Musk. Truly amazing, and hopefully we can latch on to your speed and your growth and be able to contribute.
Likewise, I felt the same way when I met you.
But we really like each other. Let's put it that way. But I think it's a great start. We talk about we have big visions together. I think he has an incredible vision, but also the incredible ability to execute on that vision. We've all benefited from capital markets. Recently, IPO in Hong Kong at a great valuation. We both have acceptance and enthusiasm from Big Pharma to partner with us, to do something different, to do something better, to look ahead. I think one thing we want to, and we'll talk more in many months to come, but this is the start of developing multiple platforms and multiple programs to really treat diseases faster and more efficiently. So I think Alex was right in saying that 2.5 billion may be low, on the low side, but we're conservative in Taiwan. So we want, but I think the value generated from AI developed drug discovery is so unique. His platform and the amount of unique drugs that are being developed with running models already eliminating ones that won't work. And now for us to implement predictive scale-up, predictive formulation, I think predictive cell line growth. I mean, all these things that we can do that on a manufacturing perspective, your formulation CMC will improve so much more, and we'll be able to get drugs to patients a lot faster with a lot more efficacy.
Well, so Bobby, actually, you almost answered my questions. Well, so, what will be the next quantum leap between our engagement of today's among two of your visionary guys? Any predictions?
Can I go first? I guess he's been speaking all day, so this is. But he has always a bigger vision than I have. But I think we're going to focus on a couple of high impact treatments, high impact drugs that are unique to the market, and start investing in those and getting those into phase 1, and using these drugs to simultaneously create an AI platform that is from drug discovery all the way to drug approval. So in these development of these drugs, we intend to create enormous value, and create a unique infrastructure. So I love his vision on creating that AI medical city, right? Longevity city. I think we can do that in Taiwan. I love the idea of a DNA. I think there's some construction people here. Okay, 不要抢名字, but yeah, we have construction people. We're great at building amazing things, right? And at scale. So I think these are great ideas, but the next milestone for us is to identify multiple candidates to start the drug discovery process. Yeah.
Agreed 100%. So we are basically creating a mini in silico here together with development capabilities, with manufacturing capabilities around the high value assets that can be purposed into many diseases. So basically pipeline and product type. You actually don't need to discover many drugs. You need to discover one. Like if you have GLP-1, when Novo Nordisk launched it, the GDP of entire country was comparable to the market cap of Novo Nordisk. So nowadays, if you do that in Taiwan, that's going to be a difficult feat to perform because you've got TSMC. But in theory, some of those GLP-1s actually sell in higher revenue than all AI models combined. So people actually overlook the value of biotechnology. So now we have a few high confidence targets that we know are going to work in some indication. It's just very difficult to figure out which one's going to be the first one that succeeds and take it forward. So when this NewCo becomes investable to outside world, don't forget about that because you can make a lot of money potentially. So remember this time. And you would also have some of the best people in the world to run it within Bora ecosystem. And you don't have the kind of discount that you would get in other places where you have geopolitical pressure. So here you're basically free to operate internationally. It's a very geo-friendly place. And I think that Taiwan has great talent as well to offer. It was just previously not funded well. And didn't have the capabilities that Bora brings to the table. And with our reach and with our AI, I think we can actually get to that level very quickly. So the idea is not to go slow. The idea is to go very quickly. So you are going to see like press releases every month.
谢谢秘书长 ，Thank you.
So you're going to change a new vest with a larger plates.
I hope that other people will get vests
No,
like that.
I will start wearing the vest.
Performance metrics are usually very good. In my team, people compete on a number of this, plates. So once you get healthy competition, they don't care about money as much. They care about the number of developmental candidates. That's what matters.
谢谢秘书长，谢谢 Alex。那刚刚三位长官呢提到，就是台湾的人才在创新还有制造方面有非常好的历史。然后台湾也是在这个时间点上少数没有什么政经压力，两个国家要选边站的地方，或是我们就每天都在选边站，所以没差。好，总之在这个完美的时间点上呢，两位公司的创办人与执行长都非常看好我们能够透过一起找到一个非常有潜力的新的药物，然后透过将这个药物以 AI 的方式运作在完整的 CDMO 流程当中，打造第一个AI in CDMO 的平台。那同时呢，如果这些药物后续也都是大有发展的话，宝瑞和 Insilico Medicine 这边都会在针对后续的一些财务的投资的规划，再和大家做后续陆续的报告。那今天我们的活动就到这里。So ladies and gentlemen, this brings today's signing ceremony to a close. On behalf of both companies, thank you all for being here. 谢谢大家刚刚等了这么久，真的很不好意思。We look forward to the exciting journey ahead.